Testing, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive.
Perfect.
Hello broskies, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. If we haven't met before, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where I bring you sneaker reviews, lifestyle and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. On today's episode, I have Nike Air Max 270 React. Now I know I have done the Obsidian colorway already, but this Ash and Vault colorway was just needed. Now looking around this beautiful specimen of a sneaker, you will of course notice within the midsole the React and Air Max technology combining, which is responsible for the added comfort underneath. On the upper we have that wave-like design with the TPU materials, which has that perfect amount of shine and support. There is that soft padded collar with the low cut design that looks sleek and feels comfortable. Now of course on this sneaker we have two pulleys, one at the back where the heel counter lays, and of course right at the top of the tongue. Now I am a big fan of this little clip on the middle of the tongue. It adds a little bit of freshness to this sneaker. Now like I've said before, you can put your laces in between. You can move it up or down the whole pulley, or you can even take it off if you don't like it. But that's a nice little touch. If you really want it, it's there. Now of course on the outsole we have on the forefront that Nike React design, and at the back we have that 270 design and pattern. One of the standout things for me was the use of colors on this sneaker. That neon green Vault is just to die for, and it blends so well with that grey or ash colorway that Nike calls it. And surprisingly enough, I didn't know the white laces would go so well with this colorway. Now the Nike React 270 ENG, and I do know that the ENG stands for engineered, and I'm still standing by my previous views on how this sneaker feels on foot. It is really comfortable. That React technology alongside the Air Max unit is an amazing blend between flexibility and comfort. Now when it comes to sizing, for me these are true to size. I did get a size 9 UK and these fit perfectly. There is the added padding on the top, but it is a snug feel. It's not suffocating at all. So like I've said, when it comes to comfort, these do not disappoint. The balance on this sneaker is spot on with the Air Max unit and the React midsole. So out of 10, I'm gonna give a 9.5. Someone asked me in the comments, have I ever given a 10 out of 10? And it's gonna take a miracle. There's always something that can be improved. Now because of this sneaker on the upper has so much padding compared to the normal 270, it does sacrifice that breathability on top. But for me, it's not a deal breaker. They are pretty light on the materials, but me comparing them to the normal 270, there is a massive difference. So out of 10, I'm gonna give an 8. So broskies, we have come to the part of the video where I decide if these are a buy or a buy. Now I was a big fan of the Obsidian colorway, and when I saw this colorway on Nike, I just thought, yes, that is the right blend of colors. So with the feel on foot being extremely comfortable and very stylish with that new design on the upper, there's not much else to say. So overall broskies, I'm gonna give these a buy. But I wanna know what you think broskies. Are these worth the £140 price tag? Are you waiting for more colorways to come out? Or are these a total buy from you? Leave your comments down below, and of course I will be pinning the best one. So broskies, you know what to do. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care. You made a